Really? I'm very much scared of exams.
Why are you scared? We have studied so hard for the whole year.
I know, but I'm scared. Are you also scared of exams?
Respected Principal Ma'am, Surbi Ma'am, Ira Ma'am, Honorable teachers and my dear friends. Today we the students of class 3A will present an assembly on the topic preparing for exams.
First of all, my friend Vanya will share the news for today.
Good morning everyone. Today's news is National News. Army dumped into paying rent for land in POK CBI files case. Cotton trade surge puts smiles back on Malwa's farmers' faces. Elections done. 300 Punjab candidates get IT summons. International. Google FB to help fight fake news in France. Sports. Bangla play well in subcontinent. Thank you.
Now our friend Manya Verma will share the thought for the day. Good morning everyone. Thought for today is study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing, prepare while others are playing, dream while others are wishing. I repeat, study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing, prepare while others are playing, dream while others are wishing. Thank you. Thank you, Manya, for the wonderful thought. Now our friend will share some tips for success in exam.
Plan and organize in an orderly way.
Use mind map, short notes, summaries to revise lessons. Familiarize yourself with format, marking scheme, language, terminology and types of questions.
Set a time for sleep and relaxation.
While sitting for the exam, read the instructions carefully and check all the pages.
Start planning the most difficult question but answer the easier question first.
Plan timing according to the number of marks of each.
Managing stress is an important factor. One tip that might work on you all is taking deep breaths now and then. I hope it really helps.
Now my friend Manya Kawatra will recite a beautiful poem on getting ready for exams.
Exams are like demons. If we shy away from them, they will keep scaring us and continue to overwhelm. The best way to deal with this is to face in the eye with a killer attitude that shouts, never say die. So muster up with some courage. Don't let the stress dictate. That's how you will win yourself a reason to celebrate. Thank you.
Well said, Manya. We should not be scared of exams. I don't panic. Easier said than done, we know. But it's important to try and keep level-headed throughout exam. One of the main reasons for stress at exam time is lack of control. Students get stressed because they don't know what is coming up. But one of the best things you can do to calm yourself is to visualize yourself in the exam hall. Reading paper and picking out the questions you are going to do early on will help you to calm yourself as it removes the stress caused by unknown what's coming up. Thank you. Now at the last, we would like to say all the best, do well. Thank you.
Big round of applause to the class once again. They were really amazing. And today we have lots
lots of prizes to be given. Our children have been participating and excelling in so many different competitions. So I request Principal Ma'am to come to the stage and hand over the prizes. I will announce the names of the students from class 4 also. Gur Pratap Singh, gold. Ridhima Pandey, silver. Jabji Bamra, bronze. And you have to stand in the same order in which I am calling out your names. Gur Pratap, Ridhima and Jabji, gold, silver and bronze from class 4. Gauri Gupta, gold. Mihir, silver and Rishabh, bronze from class 5. Gauri, Mihir and Rishabh, walk to the stage and receive your medals from Principal Ma'am.
Come back on the stage. Yeah.
Children, you have to keep on waiting at the stage because after the prizes are given, we have a group photograph. Gurmanpreet Tiwana, Banipreet and Krish, gold, silver and bronze from class 6. Gurman, Banipreet, Krish. Rishit Sharma, Parth Khosla and Mohit Reddy from class 7 in the order of gold, silver and bronze. Sachin Kumar, Aditya Gupta, Ruhani, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal from class 8. Arya, Deep Khushi and Anuri are the winners of gold, silver and bronze medal from class 9. Next to be ready is Mannat from class 3A, who has won a medal in Taekwondo. Come and stand in the line, Mannat. And after that, we have Pritha from class 3, who's won a medal in Dance Sports Council of India competition. Pritha. Silver. Children, you have become so silent. I think you all are so engrossed in the ceremony that you forgot to clap. So this is the whole group of Science Olympiad Level 1 winners. I am now announcing the names of the winners of IT quiz. Gurmanpreet 6C Sidar House first, from Sethi first, Mohit second and Janisha Singh third. Akhil Sethi, Mohit and Janisha first, second and third. Class 8, Aditya Thakur, Ruhani Kumar and Mani Chaudhary. Aditya Thakur first, Ruhani Kumar second and Mani Chaudhary third. Class 9, Sukleen Kaur first, Deep Khushi second and Ananya Mahi third. Class 8, come and stand here. Class 10, we have Sneha first, Adesh second and Garvit third. These children have won prizes for their house, and there is a special prize for Palakshi, who has also come first, but she doesn't belong to any house, but we are giving her a certificate. Palakshi, you will be getting a special prize for coming first, a neutral prize, not from any house. Ruhani second and Manik Chaudhary third. Sneha first, Adesh second and Garvit third, and Palakshi a special first prize. Govind Karan Singh from class 3 first, Harbani Kohli second and Ayush Sharma third. Govind, Harbani and Ayush from class 3. Kanarjeet Godra class 4 first, Amreen Gill class 4 second, Mannat Kalsi class 4 third. Govind, Harbani, Ayush.
Ayush is absent.
Kanarjeet, Amreen, Mannat Kalsi. Mannat is absent, so we have Kanarjeet and Amreen. They will receive their prizes. Mannat's certificate will be given to her class teacher. Class 5, Gauri Gupta, Rishabh and Rajpreet Singh. First, second and third. Gauri Gupta, Rishabh and Rajpreet. Come fast. Gauri Gupta, Rishabh and Rajpreet in the same order in which I am calling your names. Rishabh. Punjabi Poetry Recitation Certificates. Ayush from 3B first. He is not come. Anmol Preet 3D second. Group photo to be called on the stage, so obviously it is taking some time. Now children are coming in the order of first, second and third, so be aware and keep clapping. She is not there. Anand third position from class 3. Noor from class 3 first. Pulkit. This is Jasnoor. Children, don't touch the flex banner on which Goddess Saraswati's picture is shown. Come forward a little. Come forward for a group picture, children. And again, Ananya, Rabab and Avya. First, second and third. Come forward for a group picture, children. Then we have GK and Sports Olympiad category. Miss Seema Rani, Mr. Mohit, Miss Mehak Joshi, Miss Deepshikha, all are class in charge for the Sports and GK Olympiad.
And for the one who actually takes care of all the Olympiads in our school and the science school in charge will be Nisha ma'am. Class in charge is Archana ma'am, Hina ma'am, Shashi Kiran ma'am,
Nidhi from 3B, she secured second position in Punjabi. She could not come on the stage when her name was announced, so we are giving her certificate now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for spending so much time on this class 10 students who are our first batch of this school and who will be moving out of the school in a couple of months, and they will be venturing into a new life, move forward in life, join different schools and take up different streams of subjects, and then they will grow up to become whatever they want, where their passion lies and what they are best at. So we have organized this ceremony to bless these children, to invoke God's blessing on them and to wish them good luck. And after the prayer, Principal Ma'am will anoint tilak on the forehead of each of these children, showering hers as well as all of our blessings on them, so that these children have a successful, peaceful and happy and contented life. So we will begin with the Saraswati Vandana, because Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. So we have this senior vocal music group singing Saraswati Vandana for all of us. Very soulful bhajan that they all have sung. Now we will first have the tilak ceremony. I want the mics to be removed. I request children to please do that. And I request Principal Ma'am to come on the stage, and students of art department will assist of Abhijot. He is known for his sense of humor, although he doesn't speak much, but whatever he speaks is always very, very appropriate. And we all love what he speaks, and of course we can't deny that he is a very, very good basketballer also. Taking ma'am's blessings. Adesh is the next one, and we can't miss him. Wherever he is, he always stands out. He can't be missed. Another very, very fine gentleman in the making.
Why are you finding it so funny, children?
Aditi, charming young girl, very good handwriting, and very, very sweet smile. Anjuman, we call her Madam Quiet, but her silence speaks a lot. Aviraj has spent very little time with us, but he's managed to make his place in everybody's heart. Now we have the computer whiz Gokul. Dharam Anmol is with us right from the beginning. So we can call him as lifer of SWS. Gagandeep, very enthusiastic bhangra performer. Garvit, I think he is a budding scientist because even if he is writing a paragraph in English and if it is related to science, it comes out really, really well. Gautam, blossoming into a very, very fine young man. Harman, our head boy, music wizard, science wizard, sports wizard, many things, and our all-rounder. Jagmeet Singh, you all have discovered very, very recently that he is such a good singer. Such a good singer. For all you know, you may be listening to his music CDs in a few years from now. All the very best, Jagmeet. Keep your passion alive. Jasman. Jasman is, I would call him a sweetheart for all of us. Very, very honest, very dedicated, simplest soul I have ever known. Very, very simple boy with a lot of potential and special qualities. Big round of applause for him. Karthik, you might see him playing in a Davis Cup match for India later sometime, or maybe a famous artist. He's very good at both, at playing tennis and in painting and sketching. Then we have Palakshi. She is again a sweetheart. Everyone in school is especially bonded to her. Our ex-head girl, an all-rounder, good in studies, good orator, a complete all-rounder. Wish her good luck by clapping for her. So these were our class and outgoing. Oh, Sneha, I am so sorry. Sneha. She is another very, very determined and hard-working girl. Very good handwriting and extremely good artist. Shivam. Shivam also has spent around 1.5 years with us, and he has made his place in everybody's heart by very sweet smile and by being very, very good to all of us. Riddhi. I saw a Yuvraj Singh in her during our recently held cricket match. Because till that time I knew that she plays tennis, but I did not know that she is even better at cricket. So we can give her the title of Yuvraj Singh of SWS. So thank you, ma'am, and I request you to give your wise words of advice to these children.
Good morning, students. First of all, I would really like to compliment Surabhi. I think the way you have explained, the way you have depicted, the way you said about the students of grade 10, it's worth appreciation. A big round of applause for her. It's an emotional moment for me. In fact, it was an emotional moment for me when we had our investiture last time, a couple of days ago. But today I genuinely am emotional because this is our first board batch. You know, I've also been seeing some of you, I wouldn't say all of you, probably minus 3, 4. Remaining students have been with us I've been seeing you for the last 4 years. And from this level, you've grown up to this level. And some of like when Adesh came, I actually had to look at it like this, you know. And I could hear all of you laugh also. But it is. But children, of course, emotions are kept aside. We genuinely, from all the staff members, whoever has been in touch with you while teaching, while curricular, co-curricular activities, or any field wherever you have connected with whichever teacher, we genuinely have all the hopes from you, and we really wish that you achieve what you desire. And I'm sure we've seen a lot of change in all of you in the last 6 months. Am I right, Subi ma'am? From the time we had your SA1 till now, I'm getting your feedback from your teachers, from your class teacher, from your coordinator. Ma'am, we can see the change in them. We can see the difference. And I hope and I pray to God that this aspiration, this achievement, this dream continues to be with you and you touch the sky. And I would love to be your Facebook friend whenever you feel fine. You know, and I would like to see some of you entering into engineering college. I'm not saying engineering and medical is the ultimate for you, no. You can be an IAS officer, you can be an IIM pass out, you can be an IIT pass out. I feel proud that we have been together, that we have seen you grow from here to here, and you have been able to achieve your dreams and made us proud by doing so. I hope you'll do that. Aim high, have a dream. Even the quote that I have written, that's written by me, I have not picked it up from anywhere, the message that I've given to you. In fact, yesterday, this boy, Vanshik, he came to me and he gave me a very small paper. Ma'am, please write a message for dentists. I looked at the paper, I said, don't you think it's too small? He said, ma'am, you want a bigger one? I said, yes. He gave me one complete sheet. I have not written on the complete sheet. I halfened it and I've written the message. And the message that I have written, believe me, children, it has come from the heart. It has come from the heart, and it is to do something with your dreams. Have dreams. If you will see a dream, if you will have a dream, I assure you, you will achieve it. Am I right? Am I right? Are you all with me? Yes, ma'am. Unless you have a dream, you cannot achieve it. You have to have it. See a dream. Start dreaming during a day also. I'm telling you, if you have it here, yes, I have to do it, I have to do it, I have to do it. You will be able to do it. Have your aspirations alive. That's important. So, with this, I come to an end and I say, all the best, my dear lovely children. You all are very innocent. When you will go out of the school, you will realize how cruel the world is. You have to fight it out. So, be brave, be bold to fight the world out. I'm sure you will be able to. Right? Once again, all the best. Have a wonderful journey ahead and keep us posted wherever you are. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Ira ma'am to come and speak something to these children, because you have been associated with them for all these years, and I know that you also have some valuable piece of advice to give to these children as they move out into their new life.
Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am, and thank you, ma'am. I have been associated with them for a year when I taught them English when they were in class 8. But other than that, I feel very closely connected because I think I sit in the same room. I hear all the conversations connected about them in and out. Even though I may not know some of the newcomers, I know them because I hear about them. And I do feel connected. And I feel very proud, ma'am, that I could be a part of their lives, even if it was for a very short time. And all I can say is I achieved my dream at the age of 49. I always wanted to ride a bike, and I've done it. So I'm sure, as ma'am said very rightly, if you have a dream, push for it and do it. That's all. All the best, and we hope to see you reaching the skies. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ira ma'am. That was very, very big thing said in a few words. Now I request Jasmeet ma'am, who is the main reason behind the transformation of these children. Due to her guidance and advice that the children have transformed into such beautiful youngsters. Over to Jasmeet ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I think I talk to them so much every day, every morning, that I lack words. All I would like to say, wish them, advise them, suggest them, that always be beautiful human beings. Touch the skies, go high, but never leave your roots. Always be rooted to the ground. That's a little thing I would like to say. Yes, you will get a lot of advices, lot of people telling you so many things in life. Listen to them, but do what your heart says. And your heart always gives you an indication. Whenever you feel you are scared of something, you fear something, that is an indication to you that you are going wrong somewhere. Check yourself. Be grounded. Touch the skies, but never leave your roots. And always remain in touch with all of us. We were the first family. And we would love to be in touch with you, love to know how high you people are going. And that's all. Anyways, we have another couple of months to talk so much. We will. And all the very best. Love you all from the heart.
Thank you, Jasmeet ma'am. Touch the sky, but be grounded to your roots. Very, very, very important. Now I request any teacher who's taught them, if they want to come to the mic and say something, bless them, they are most welcome.
First, ma'am, you bless them.
Ma'am, I will do it at the end. So we have Gurmeet ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. As I have already got a lot of words as advice, I'm sure you're going to take them all, as you have always been doing. I just wanted to come and share these moments because I think I am the teacher who's been with you right from class 4 onwards, and most of you are there in the journey with me. So when I saw you first, you were like toddlers, and now this is the first group which has grown up and is going to leave us. All the more what is affecting me is that we'll never get you back in the school as our students. Of course, you are going to be in our life throughout, and most of the time you children know that I've been sharing my past experiences with you, from the children who've been taught by me, still in touch, how high they have reached. That is what I'm expecting from you. That is what I have always been shared, and I think over the week we had been talking about this also time and again. God bless you all. Whatever you have been till now, you were the best. Carry on the legacy. Be human beings first of all. Be very honest what you are today. Get in touch with all the people who matter in your life. Listen to them. Speak your heart to them. Get in touch whenever in trouble to anybody whom you can disclose and share. All the best. Do well. Study hard. You have not lost the battle. You have just begun. So work hard. Use every second and every minute of the time left. And thank you so much for being so good to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurmeet ma'am. Very, very valuable words. Now Manjeet ma'am is coming to give her wise, valuable, not the advice, gyan, not advice, gyan to all of you.
As ma'am said, very emotional moment for me too. It was in Small Wonders when I joined the school, and the room was, I think, just half the stage. And as I entered, I saw 5 little kids with all smile and stars in their eyes. We talked through the, Lakshi, please make me more sentiment. And the period was over. As I got up to come out, they all stood up to hug me. And every day, it became a part. So I went home, told my family that I've got a family who is more loving than you people, by Dr. Sarma. And Those days we were just in the small school. It was a small family. Then gradually we came here and the family started growing. We became 7. Then some of you left. It became 8, then 10, then 13, and now we are 18, almost 4 times. From the time when I joined. And during this journey, we have been many a times harsh with you because we wanted to chisel you and shape you to be confident, competent, and caring. You were caring all through, and you are confident also, and we have seen last year, this session especially, how confident you people have become. And you are competent also because you have been taking part in in-house and inter-school competitions, and many of you, those who did not get the time, in I think a few days to come, you will show your competence in your essays. Okay? So, don't lose hope, right? When you move out of this school from under our wings, you'll face the world, right? But you will not be leaving SWS. You will be taking it along with you. Everybody will call you a smart wonderites, right? So don't let us down, ever, right? Keep the flag of the school high and never ever lose hope. Feel confidence, have confidence in you, and I wish you all the best and good luck.
Thank you, Manjeet ma'am. Now we have Varun sir who also wants to say a few words to these children.
Good morning everyone, good morning ma'am. This is one of the classes I enjoy going in. We have found X of maths, Y of physics. We have played football, we have played basketball. So one of the best days I would say. And one simple advice that be whatever you are, be genuine. Don't pretend that we are this, we are that. In your future, if you find any difficulty, it will not be from maths, I know. But from daily life, you are most welcome. We'll play basketball again. Yes, people used to call maths teacher as, khadoos. Yes, I was for 2 years. I have scolded you sometimes. But one thing that I have cared, I have loved you more than I have scolded you. You will always be in my heart. Keep rising. All the best. Thank you.
Now we have Shilpa ma'am. So children, you know how much each and every teacher care for you that they can't stop coming on the mic and talking to you today.
A warm good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Ira Ma'am, Surbhi Ma'am, my dear colleagues and dear students. On this special occasion, I would like to quote these famous lines by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. But I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Dear class 10 students, you might think that you have completed the journey of your school, and you might be feeling nervous and excited at the same time. As soon you will be leaving the school and are going to enter the outside world. Fine, but however, you have to promise us all, and above all, you have to promise yourselves that you will set an example for all the coming batches, as you are the flag bearers of Smart Waters. All of you might have an aspiration in life, as ma'am said, and I'm sure all of you will work very, very hard to achieve that. But however, whatever you become in life, be sure to become a good human being, Never shy away from helping others. Be a responsible citizen of this country. And above all, never lose hope in life. We look upon you to carry on your shoulders the values that taught to you in the school and carry forward the legacy of Smart Wonders. I wish you all the success in life and the very best for your future. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you, Shilpa ma'am. Robin sir.
Good morning, children. First of all, God bless you. And in short, I will start from here. As Manjeet ma'am, Gurmeet ma'am told you, there are students who were in class both when I joined Small Wonder School. So I've seen them growing in front of my eyes, and it is like, you know, I am still standing there and time is passing by. So for me also, this is a kind of really pride moment, I would say. They were students when I was teaching in Ryan International School. One student met me and he was on the job. So I was like, what? I said, कहाँ भी आजकल? He said, sir, मैं job करता हूँ. कौन सी job करते हो? He was on high post. I forgot. He was on high post and he said, मैं job करता हूँ. It was, you know, like, for me, I was a music teacher. Still, I'm a music teacher. I've given what I got from my elders, from my teachers. मैं आपसे एक बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. When I was in 10th standard, I can remember my teachers. Subhash Agrawal sir for my English, Rajkumar sir for my science, Savitri ma'am for my Hindi, and I can remember why. Because their words impacted here when they taught me how to survive for the life. Remember, surviving for the life is not a competition. That's a condition and challenge for us. When we are surviving the life, we don't have to compete for the bad. We have to take a advanced step. Take an advanced step, not to win or not to lose. So remember, whatever you are taught by the teachers, don't take it as like you have to win or you have to lose. Always remember this. हम हारते जीते तब हैं जब हम अपनी लाइफ से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं और जब हम दूसरे इंसान को डाउन करते हैं. बाकी जो चीजें हम अपनी लाइफ में करते हैं, स्टडीज से सीख के, अपने बड़ों से सीख के, वो सिर्फ अपनी जिंदगी को बिताने के लिए करते हैं. That is our need, just a need. That is not our भगवान. So always remember, teachers हमेशा आपको इंसानियत, humanity, love, care. This is what they're showing when they're trying, because they have love in their heart for you. This is the thing. Remember, आपके टीचर्स ने आपको प्यार किया है. जो प्यार आपको मिला है, आपको उसको बांटना है, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होने देना है. जब आप किसी दूसरे स्कूल में जाएंगे, वहां पे आपने जाके इस प्यार को बांटना है. अगर वहां किसी तरह से जाने अनजाने में कुछ ऐसा होता है जो आपको लगता है कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए, give that word by your doings, not by saying only. अपने उस प्यार को जो टीचर से मिला, जो नॉलेज आपको टीचर से मिली, उस चीज को वहां पे आपको बांटना है. एक मैम ने बोला कि you all are innocent. Yes, I accept this and I pray to Lord Jesus कि वो आपको हमेशा ऐसा बना के रखे, because that is the humanity. When you are innocent, remember, आपको अपने लिए कभी फाइट नहीं करनी है. He will fight for you. You do whatever is that, what he tells us to do. Yes? Yes? Thank you. I love you. God bless.
Kavita ma'am.
बहुत ही भावुक समा है। इस तो बल्कि बहुत मान वाली गल है कि साडे स्कूल का पहला बैच जिहड़ा है वो पास आउट होके जा रहा है। मान वाली भी गल है और एक यादगारी 2017 जिहड़ा है यादगारी हर साल ही नवा बैच जिहड़ा है वो जाएगा 10th का, लेकिन 2000 साल जिहड़ा है 2017 जिहड़ा है यादगारी साल बन के रहेगा साडे लई। और असी सारिਆਂ ने ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक ਜਿਹੜਾ स्कूल का बेसिक स्कूलिंग का ਜਿਹੜਾ एक पड़ाव है वो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ खत्म हो गया है और एक ਜਿਹੜੀ नवी जिंदगी की पहली पौड़ी तक ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पहुंचा दिता है। और इत्थों तक का ਜਿਹੜਾ साथ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ टीचर्स ਦਾ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਧੀਆਂ ਵਰਗਾ मतलब ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। और सारे टीचर्स का ਜਿਹੜਾ प्यार है वो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ है जिस तरह पेरेंट्स का ਹੁੰਦਾ। और हर मापिया की इच्छा होंगी है कि तुसी कामयाबी दी सीढ़ियां चढ़ो और उहदे विच कामयाब होवो, शिखरां ते पहुंचो। उहदे लई यही कहांगी कि तुसी कदम बढ़ाओ ते रस्ते आपे बन जाएंगे। आपने जैसा मैम ने कहा कि सपने देखो और अपने सपनों वाल कदम बढ़ाओ ते रस्ते आपे बननगे। साडियां दुआवां तुहाडे नाल हमेशा ने, साडियां सिक्ख्यावां तुहाडे नाल हमेशा रहणगियां। दुआवां।
आज कुछ कहना मेरे लिए बहुत भारी पड़ रहा है मैम। ये बच्चे थे जब क्लास को मैं इनकी क्लास टीचर हुआ करती थी और छोटे छोटे सुबह में आकर के बस कितना ही इनको डांटो, दूर से बात करो, अपनी सीट पे बैठ जाओ ना, आ करके पूरा जब तक झप्पी पा करके मैम बात नहीं कर लेते तब तक ये पीछे। हालांकि बहुत डांटते भी थे, हम इनको आदतें छुड़ाते थे कि नहीं मतलब ऐसे स्टूडेंट आपको, लेकिन नहीं इन्होंने मदरली मेरे को ट्रीट किया। और आज कुछ उस पर मुझे ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि जैसे कोई माँ अपने बच्चों
Yeah. Children, have started teaching you when you were in class 3. And you were so small that time. But still, that time also I could talk to you all, and I was really, you know, what to say?
See, you're making all your teachers emotional, na?
Alright, children, I know you have very, very good qualities like, you know, your innocence, your, you know, respect for elders. Do not let it go away. Whatever happens in your life, you will be taken care of. You have that goodness, that hope should always be with you. Alright? Okay? So work hard, consistency. That is very important. If you keep on working hard, you will reach sky. Believe me. And you all have that much potential in you all. And I can see that I'm sure that whenever after few years we'll meet, you'll be reaching the skies, you will be having your dreams come true. And it's not that only engineers and doctors, I know you are going to be artists, singers. And just pursue your dreams. Whatever makes you happy will make world happy. Best of luck for your life and futures, and children, we will be always with you. This school is your school. So anytime you need help, anytime you need guidance, we will be with you. Alright? You are just going to start a new life. That doesn't mean that you are going to leave us behind. We will be part of your life ever. Always. Alright? Best of luck to you.
Good morning, friends. Smile. No one will leave the school unhappy. You all should be smiling and happy always. Okay? And my advice will be creative, think out of the box. Okay? And I'm sure you're going to be successful. And you all have the potential to reach the sky. Just do your best. Alright? And rock the world. Thank you. Love you all, children.
Good morning, all of you. और भी मित्रों की मैं बारह बात आ गया ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ਸੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸੋਚ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ ਕੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਫॉर मी आई कांट स्टॉप my emotions. पीछे भी वही कंट्रोल किया. I'm a teacher. We are teachers. But आज अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना और प्रोफेशनलिज्म दिखाना, it's very difficult for us. We love you all. Really. कदे भी मेरी लोड पई, you have my number, right? We are on WhatsApp group. कभी भी लोड हो बच्चे, any time, and this is your school. Okay? And follow your dreams. Don't cry, Lakshi. Love you all. Dil se.
Now children, does any one of you want to come here and say anything? Preeti ma'am is also here.
Good morning. एंड बच्चे रियली मेरी तरफ से जितना भी मैंने आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया, एनुअल फंक्शन में मैंने ज्यादा टाइम आपके साथ स्पेंड नहीं किया, एनुअल फंक्शन में ही जस्ट किया है, रियली जितना भी किया है रियली मिसिंग. एंड प्लीज जगमीत का मैंने अभी लास्ट ईयर ही थोड़ा सा टैलेंट मैम ने ही नहीं खिलवाया था. जो भी आप में टैलेंट छिपा है, कोई भी टीचर आपका कुछ भी अगर आपको कहते हैं आप में ये टैलेंट है, तो मान जाओ आप में वो टैलेंट होगा. आप मान नहीं रहे थे कि मैं मैम नहीं गाऊंगा, मैम ने आज बहुत स्ट्रेस किया था, एंड आप देखो फर्स्ट प्राइज आपने मिला. सो आप में कहीं ना कुछ टैलेंट छिपा हुआ है. स्टडी के साथ कुछ भी टैलेंट अगर आपको अगर कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तो कोई भी टीचर्स का क्या होता है, उनको पता होता है ये टैलेंट है, ये कुछ कर रहे हैं, इसमें कुछ ना कुछ है, तभी आपको वो फोर्स करते हैं. और अगर पेरेंट्स कुछ भी फोर्स करें, आपका जो ड्रीम है वो ड्रीम फुलफिल करो. बट अगर पेरेंट्स भी कुछ कहते हैं तो प्लीज उनकी भी सुने. दंगल मूवी देखी है, 3 इडियट्स देखी है, कंपैरिजन कर सकते हो. 3 इडियट्स में सभी नहीं मतलब अपना ड्रीम फुलफिल करो, अपना ड्रीम फुलफिल करो, वो किया. दंगल में देखो आमिर खान ने देखा कि इनमें वो पावर है, मार सकते हैं, तो वो कहाँ तक पहुंच गए. सो प्लीज पेरेंट्स को भी फोकस मत करो. थैंक यू एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
So at last it's me. I have, like Jasmeet ma'am said, that we talk every day about so many things. So I just want to tell you, maybe I don't have to tell also, that I am bonded with each one of you with my heart. It's a heart-to-heart connection, not a teacher and student connection. And so many of you have shared your passion with me. Like Dharam Anmol keeps telling that he wants to become a wildlife photographer. Harman says that he wants to become a sound mixer. Similarly, many of you have your passions. So first, I wish that your passions are realized. And in order for them to be realized, you have to keep believing and keep the fire of that passion ignited within you. Another thing which I want to say is that grow here, mature here, so that you can take your critical decisions and be accountable for them. But here in your heart, remain a child. I am telling you that if the child within you is alive, no matter whatever your age is, even the bigger problem looks very small, because children don't get stressed. Small children don't get stressed. So be a child here and become a mature person in your head. All the best and God bless you children. We will be meeting every day now for another 2 months and keep talking about a whole lot of things. But today, since this is the formal platform, I love you all. God bless you. Always be happy. Thank you.
All the teachers are smart wonders for making me such a good person in my life.
And send you on WhatsApp or Facebook.
See, that's enough and aid who sat through so patiently to witness this ceremony. This thing will come in your lives also. So with this we come to an end. Thank you everyone for being here, and again thank you ma'am. All the very best to class 10 students. God bless you.